Macro traders, here we are. I'm Domenico, and I bring you my institutional vision on global markets. Get ready, because today we are analyzing the AI boom that's about to explode your portfolio. Small caps, Fed fails, and the trillion-dollar token revolution that awaits. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Imagine this, we're on the brink of the biggest economic shift since the internet boom. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's fueling a reflationary explosion that's about to make small caps skyrocket, crush old Fed rules, and unlock trillions in hidden wealth through tokenization. But here's the kicker. If you're still playing by yesterday's rules, you could get left in the dust. Stick around, because today I'm breaking down the macro madness of 2025 and why the Fed's screwing up big time, and how AI's 3 waves are rewriting the future. Hit that like button, and if you're ready to level up your investing game, let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the massive regime shift that's hitting us right now. Monetary policy. Evolving tech adoption. Exploding with AI, fiscal changes, converging into what I call a reflationary boom. And guess who's leading the charge? Small cap stocks. Picture this. Last week alone, small caps outperformed the S&P by 3% to 1%. But why? Expectations of Fed rate cuts and easing tariffs are lighting a fire under them. We've ditched the Russell 2000 for a pure small cap index because, let's be real, it's bloated with unprofitable zombies. But with the potential court rulings, rolling back tariffs, the Supreme Court getting involved, this could be a game changer for manufacturing and small businesses. If you're ignoring small caps, you're missing out. They are hypersensitive to inflation, and with AI boosting productivity, we're talking some very serious gains. Question for you. Are your portfolios positioned for this? Drop a comment below and let me know. So now guys, let's roast the Fed a bit, because they do deserve it. Traditional models like the Taylor rule, total dinosaurs. They are backward looking in a world that's screaming forward with artificial intelligence. Productivity gains from tech are flipping inflation on its head, displacing jobs, but supercharging growth. Enter the debate, old school economics versus forward thinking. Leaders pushing for flexible policy that embraces AI disruption and fiscal dominance. Basically, inflation's mixed, core CPI steady, PPI ticking up from tariffs, but markets are betting on cuts anyway. The administration might even tolerate higher inflation to ride this productivity wave. Bottom line, if the Fed doesn't adapt, we're in for volatility. But for investors, this is a golden opportunity. All right, buckle up, because this is where it gets mind-blowing. Artificial intelligence impact, it's coming in 3 epic waves. Wave 1, infrastructure build out, almost done, and it's all about the magnificent 7 giants. Think NVIDIA, Meta, Google. They've hogged over 70% of earnings growth, dominating like never before. Risky? Sure, if they slow down, but markets tank. But policies are pro-tech, so expect more wins. Wave 2, process automation, hitting mid-skill jobs, hard-widening inequality, but juicing GDP and profits for shareholders and high-skill pros. We're talking about trillions in unlocked value. Wave 3, by decade's end, full labor market chaos, job displacement, housing affordability nightmares, might even need universal basic income. But the upside, economic expansion on steroids, something you have never seen before in your life. AI is just not software, it's reshaping everything. And don't sleep on the regulation. An AI-powered Manhattan project to slash federal rules by 50% by 2026. Housing, urban development, boom time ahead, guys. Geopolitics is heating up too. Tariff litigation, courts might strip emergency powers benefiting small caps and killing trade wars. Add AI deregulation, energy deregulation, and we're unlocking trillions easing housing constraints and boosting growth like never seen before. This is a revolution no one's talking about enough. Tokenization, turning real estate, stocks, heck, anything into digital tokens. Fractional ownership, lower borrowing costs, finance 2.0. Paired with AI agents managing it all. We are unlocking, guys, trillions in dormant value, redefining GDP, and supercharging crypto's returns. And especially if we talk about tokenization of real-world assets, to do it safely in a full decentralized manner, ICP has all to gain. So guys, do watch my videos on ICP. AI and crypto colliding is redefining global power. Risk-adjusted gains through the roof, yeah, but if you're not in, you're out. And the physical world, Tesla's full self-driving tech, backed by massive chip deals, is AI's first wheel beast. Millions of robo-taxis by 2026, slashing transport costs, disrupting jobs, but here's the dark side. The labor market's weak. AI automation means fewer mid-skill hires, hiring freezes, societal strains, and mid-stock market highs. Paradox, profits soar, but people struggle. Policies like universal basic income might be our lifeline. So wrapping this up, we're entering a new era. AI-driven productivity, deregulation, tokenization. It's a reflationary boom, redefining growth, inflation, labor, and capital. Small caps, buy signal, autonomous tech, disruptor alert, crypto, trillion-dollar play. Reframe your strategies now or get left behind. What do you think? AI boom or bust? Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, like this if you're fired up, and comment on your top pick, small caps, Mag 7 or crypto. Share this if you know someone who needs the wake-up call. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.